Hey traders and investors, let me ask you something real quick. Why do you invest? Is it just for money? Just to flex screenshots? Just to see numbers go up? Or is it for something bigger? Because your why is your biggest edge in the market. Most people start investing for fast money. They want freedom overnight, quick success, easy wins. But when losses come, when markets crash, when progress slows, they quit. Why? Because money alone isn't strong enough motivation. The investors who last have something deeper driving them. Maybe it's their parents' retirement, their kids' future, financial freedom for their family, breaking generational poverty, leaving a legacy. It's not just a chart, it's a mission. And when your why is strong, you don't panic as easily. You don't give up at the first setback, you stay focused. Here's the real secret. Purpose creates discipline. When you know who you're doing this for, you stop gambling. You stop overtrading. You stop chasing hype. You start managing risk, studying more, thinking long term, because you're not playing with fun money. You're building a future. Money comes and goes, markets crash, accounts fluctuate, but legacy lasts. Imagine your kids never stressing about bills. Your family not worrying about emergencies. Your name meaning stability. That's real wealth. And every investor hits rough patches, losing months, bad trades, market downturns. When that happens, motivated traders quit. Purpose-driven traders adapt. They remind themselves, this is bigger than me. So if you don't know your why yet, ask yourself this. Who am I really doing this for? What kind of life do I want in 10 years? What problems do I want to eliminate forever? What legacy do I want to leave behind? Write it down, read it often, let it guide your decisions. Now I want to hear from you. Who are you building wealth for? Your parents? Your kids? Your future self? Drop your why in the comments and let's inspire each other. And if you're serious about building real wealth with purpose, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com for tools, strategies, and mindset training. Trade with purpose, build a legacy, and I'll see you in the next one.